Is the AC measurement still divided into two steps? Measuring voltage first and then frequency is too troublesome. Today I'll teach you a trick. Use a multimeter to directly achieve synchronous measurement of voltage and frequency. This multimeter comes with practical dual display function. First press the display button, then press the R&Ds button. We enable the frequency function, and the screen can display both voltage and frequency values simultaneously. This dual display function is very practical for measuring motor power supply, home appliance circuits. When it comes to industrial control equipment, the voltage stability and frequency compliance can be seen at a glance. No need to manually copy data and repeatedly verify, not only saving time. It can also avoid instrument damage caused by gear switching errors, doubling safety and efficiency directly.